attention. I don't need the extra tension, cause I'm in the fourth dimension. Trapeze high in suspension. Now don't bother with the haters, cause they all be imitators. Real life manipulators. Get fit back up and see you later. I like me for me. I'ma be what I'ma be. I like me for me. I am who I wanna be. Don't need no apologies, just peace and serenity. No love to the jealousy, Wonder Woman identity. I like me for me. I like me for me. Head over heels, you know how that feels. You think it's out of space, but I know that it is real. Sipping Topo Chico, La Coco Puerto Rico. Naked dance waterfall, anywhere that we go. I am looking for attention, I don't need the extra tension, cause I'm in the fourth dimension. Trapeze high in suspension. Now don't bother with the haters, cause they all be imitators. Real life manipulators. Get fit back up and see you later. Gotta prove it to myself like nobody else. Gotta prove it to myself like nobody else. Gotta prove it to myself like nobody else. Gotta prove it to myself. I like me for me.
Even the smallest moments are worth saving, so capture them right. Meet DJI Mini 3, a compact drone that can easily capture your adventures, big and small. Battery life shouldn't be a stressor. With an extended battery, you can fly for longer. Capture life as vibrantly as it's lived, and in stunning detail. Go vertical to share the adventure on social media. And don't leave anything out. Perhaps Mini 3's best trick yet? Pick a flight pattern and turn a perfect instant into cinematic magic. let a little breeze stand in the way of a perfect shot. And with a stable connection, you can go from picture perfect to picturesque. When you're done filming, just hit return to home. Mini 3 safely retires to its starting point. So, fly. DJI Mini 3.